Everyday feels like a long journey. Kahit ilang kilometers lang mula bahay to office. Same road, different battles.
Oh, Yuli! Another different day after this one?
Aren't we all?
I'm not New York to find myself, but the more I look, the more I get lost. You know, we're all lost. Some of us,
Okay, ate. Parang you're fighting a war with your notifications, ah.
I don't know why I'm without focus for doing Julius in the book.
Mr. Garcia, deadline's in 2 hours. You're young. Think fresh.
Fresh? Sa dami nang nangyayari sa buhay ko, paano?
Kasama na galing abroad, mabilis ka maglakad. Your survival skills. Manila's kind of the same. It's louder.
Joyce wrote a single day changing a life. Pero tayo, kahit isang araw ang bigat. Identity, belonging, we chase it like something we can find.
You know guys, just a small thing. You choose to be kind, you choose to stay home. Do you still feel at home with me?
Home isn't a place or person. It's choosing to return even the world overwhelms you. Joy said, even ordinary lives are epic in the city.